Hi everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. In a previous video, we looked at the Lunarcrush Alt rank, the competitive ranking. Now we are covering its counterpart, the Lunarcrush Galaxy score and Galaxy 24-hour over monthly. These two measures a project's overall health against itself, both on the market and on the social media. And the way they follow price action is fascinating. So why is the Galaxy score? While the alt rank ranks projects against each other, the Galaxy score evaluates a project's health against itself. It combines market performance and social media activity into a single number. The higher the score, the healthier the project is. Strong social engagement, solid market activity, everything aligned. And here's what makes it really interesting. The Galaxy score curves tend to follow the price. Why? Because of human behavior. When the price goes up, FOMO kicks in, fear of missing out, people talk more, share more, engage more on social media. When the price drops, FUD takes over. Fear, uncertainty, doubt, social activity drops with it. So the Galaxy score can actually help you confirm a movement. If the price is rising and the Galaxy score is rising with it, the momentum is backed by real social activity. If the price, at the contrary, is going up but the Galaxy score isn't following, be careful. The move might not have the support it needs to continue. So let's take a look at Chainlink. If we scroll down and we click on the community score with a 98 over 100, pretty good run, we can check the Lunarcrush Galaxy 55.3. In green, that's a healthy score. Strong social activity, solid market performance. The project is in a good shape against its own benchmarks. The Lunarcrush 24-hour over monthly, 103.31%, also green. This means that in the last 24 hours, the Galaxy score has slightly improved compared to its monthly average. The momentum is holding, even gaining a little. Green on both, the project is healthy and the short-term trend confirms it. Now let's take a look at Tensor with a low community score of 20 over 100. If we scroll down, we can see that both scores are in red. For the Galaxy score, it's 10.6. That's a low score, weak social engagement, weak market activity. The project's overall health is struggling compared to its own history. Galaxy 24-hour over monthly, 25.9%, also in red. This means the last 24 hours are significantly worse than the monthly average. The score hasn't just dipped, it's dropped hard. The momentum is clearly fading fast. And when you see both in red, it tells you this project is losing steam across the board, social activity is down, market performance is down, and the short-term trend is accelerating that decline. That's a clear warning signal. So just like with the alt rank, you want to read these two together. The Galaxy score gives you the big picture. Is the project healthy right now? The 24-hour over monthly gives you the direction. Is it getting worse or better? Both green, healthy and gaining momentum, like Chainlink. Both red, struggling and getting worse, like Tensor. One green, one red, the project is at a turning point, either improving from a weak position or cooling off from a strong one. That mix is clearly where you need to pay the most attention. And as always, as you can see, you can go directly to Lunarcrush to get the full breakdown. See the detailed social metrics, the engagement curves, how they correlate with price movement. CryptoScores give you the scores and the color. Lunarcrush gives you the deep dive, so go check it by yourself. So, to conclude, Lunarcrush Galaxy, the health check of any project confirmed by the market and by social media. Check it on CryptoScores.com and we will see you there in the next one.